The part first is designed in SolidWorks, with the circle in the middle is for mounting and connecting to 3 components through other holes. To learn more about stress distribution, the holes are designed for more shapes than just circle. From simulation in SolidWorks, we set the force on the 3 external components, and the blue areas are stress concentration zone. The stress zone is then cut out in SolidWorks. The yellow reinforcement zones are defined in a 3D slicing software. We can also see that it cannot generate it on the top because it is too small for the printhead to print. Please enjoy this short highlight of the printing process. From this mini project, a lot can be learned through designing, analyzing, and manufacturing a part, especially on carbon composite and 3D printing. More refining of the final product are definitely possible, including adjusting the settings for better printing or redesigning the whole part to understand more about stress concentration. Thank you.